these eyebrows done. So I am almost at my chiropractor's office for my second visit. I will for sure be getting my back cracked today, and I'm excited about it. I'm excited to feel the relief, and yeah. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and hit the notification bell to see all of my videos when they are uploaded. Yeah, I'm just really excited. I won't film the entire doctor visit, but I will get the actual cracking of my back and him popping it and doing whatever chiropractors do to make people's backs feel better. So yeah, I'm excited. So all right guys, I will see you on the inside. And of course I am, well not of course, because I thoroughly hate being late. I'm a very on time or before time type of person, and I'm running a couple minutes late, and that's irking my soul. I had to drive from my hometown to Hot Springs, Arkansas, and I don't know, I just got off to a late start today and had to run a lot of errands before I left town. So yeah, is anybody else out there, do y'all get irked when you're late, or are you a late person? Some people like literally cannot help like not be late. Like CP time, I don't know nothing about CP time. I don't know nothing about it. I thoroughly enjoy being on time. Yeah, and then there's hella traffic today. So yeah. So comment down below for me if you have ever had your back adjusted. Let me know. Let me know what your progress is, if so, and how it helped or didn't help you. But yeah, I'll let you guys see what's gonna go on with my back today. So I'm waiting to get called back, and this lighting is I'm just really excited to get this relief and get this like ASMR feeling. Oh, I just love that kind of stuff. I love it. Yeah. So while I wait, I'll chit chat with you guys. As you guys see on my 2 videos ago, now I'm not pregnant. No. First of all, I have to have sex to get pregnant, and that hasn't happened. So yeah. I love this office. Everyone is really nice. It's really clean. It smells good. And the chiropractor is hot. He's really cute. I can't even lie. But I'm gonna get some of their water. I put on some clothes today. I'm not gonna work out today. Little booty. Yes, ma'am. They want me back. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll be in here just a few seconds, but
no rush.
2 minutes. Probably already ready. You'll actually have to sit in the white chairs over here.
Okay.
And I'll be with you in just a moment.
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, so they're gonna, well, the chiropractor is going to go over my x-rays. That's my side and my hip and my little booty. Yeah, I'm going to save my battery and film the rest of him actually putting in work. You know what I'm saying? Getting this back right. This back and posture. You can already see kind of how my right shoulder goes down. It's because my right hip is a little bit off track. Can you see that? I don't know if you guys can notice, but I know. So yeah, I'm excited. See you guys in a minute. Oh yeah, by the way, this chiropractor, I just said it. I'm not sure if you guys could hear me. This chiropractor is so fucking cute. Like, I got a thing for white men. I can't even lie. I have a thing for white men. Like, I always have. I lost my virginity to a white boy back, you know, high school. And yeah. TMI. I dropped that jewel for y'all, TMI. We're in there. We're in the money. All right, guys. It's about to go down.
So you're going to put your face down, face out, okay. However you're comfortable. So what's wrong with this one?
It keeps getting, it's so new, it keeps getting stuck to people's shirts.
Oh gosh, yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
So you can relax your hands here in front. And there's actually a little handbar there. The more you hold on to it, the better track, the better stretch you will get. And we'll do this way against the chair. And then when I turn the table on, your legs will go up and down, kind of like swim like a dolphin. Okay? You'll probably feel a decent stretch here across your low back. And then Miss Bailey, so you're going to spoil with the genie rub.
Spoil. Alright, the genie rub, there's going to be a slight vibration on your back. Yeah, and that's just going to stimulate the blood flow to the surface of your spine. Okay, which is going to loosen it up and allow Dr. Crowley to adjust you properly. Are you a fitness instructor?
No, I just work out and stuff.
I just work out. Dang. That's awesome. You just like to vlog your journeys?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Samantha, how would you rate your back pain days, everything?
Right now, it's about a 7.5.
Okay. Use some boom mics and hang it from the ceiling. We'll really get this YouTube thing going on.
It's my favorite. Love it. Alright, I'm gonna let Kyler do his thing.
So, when we look at your leg lengths, okay, your left leg's showing up about a half an inch short on the left. That's that rotation we saw on your x-ray, right? So we don't actually have a short leg, we just have some pelvis dysfunction, subluxations of the pelvis that will cause that leg to appear to be short. So what I have you do is you're going to lay on your right shoulder, right hip, and you're going to face it to your left. So we're going to keep this where it's at. We're going to take this pelvis and rotate over. We'll get the end with a little thrust in those joints in this joint where you're pop. Okay, so take a deep breath in. All the way up.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Other side.
Oh, I've been needing that for years.
You're
It's such a relief already.
So your feet even up beautifully. Now they probably won't stay that way because it's just normal everyday activity. But the more we can keep that pelvis in a properly functioning position, you'll see that muscle change. Just sit right here. And like this. So with the neck adjustment, we slightly rotate. We laterally bend, and we triple thrust back. Pop is the same, it's just a little bit lighter because it's closer to you. So that loss occurs from on the X-ray too. You're going to see a lot of soreness here at the base of the skull. It's called your suboccipital muscle group. That's where a lot of our headaches can originate as well. So with the first adjustment, Samantha, what I like to tell people is I don't expect your pain to go away immediately. Okay, what I would expect to see is like your mobility improve. Okay. Second thing is you may have some soreness along your spine, kind of like a workout soreness. If you have any of that, we just want to be sure and ice every 2 hours for 20 minutes. Now, as active as you are, that probably won't occur, but if it does, just want you to be aware of it. Okay? So we're gonna put your shoes over there to you. So we're gonna sit on up for you, and you're gonna hang a left. We're gonna go to the traction table, and let's say that you set up on some lines, just as a precaution if you need it.
Going to the left.
First adjustment down. We're going to follow this thing together. Yep.
Airy feeling.
Okay, guys, so I got the back crack. Got the back crack. I'm gonna put this right over here. Okay, and now I'm laying on ice, and it's very, very cold to decrease the inflammation. Oh, feels so good. They gave me a blanket because it's cold. It's so cold. It's under my back. So yeah, I got my first adjustment. So while I'm still here on this cold ass table, I'm looking at all of the Arkansas memorabilia that the chiropractor has.
Sorry.
So cute. No, you're fine. I'm fine. Look at all that razorback stuff. I'm even laying under a razorback blanket. Woo! Pig! Sweet! Alright guys, so as you saw, I just got my first actual physical back cracking. I feel so good. Like, I feel so much more loose and, like, I don't know, my hips don't lie, okay? But overall, this is just something to take care of my health, my physical health. I don't want to be humpback, you know, in pain and walking with a humpback when I get older. No, I want to keep my posture healthy, keep my my spine healthy, you know, all that good stuff. So it felt so good when I was laying on the pop he did when I was laying on my side. Oh man, that made me feel like a whole new woman, no lie. So yeah, I got all of my my schedule for the remaining 11 adjustments. I won't bring you guys with, you know, for all of them, but you know, I'll keep you guys updated on my back cracking journey. subscribe to my channel, please. Hit the notifications bell so you'll see all of my videos when I upload them. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Show your girl some love. And I love you all. Bye. Mwah.